Historically, royalty relied on precious essential oils to increase the beauty of their skin and prevent premature aging. Ancient Egyptians used frankincense oil to smooth wrinkles and myrrh to rejuvenate the complexion. Persians kept their youthful beauty longer with rose oil, and ancient Greeks and Romans used lavender and sandalwood to moisturize and tone the skin. Immortelle combines the benefits of these precious essential oils into a proprietary anti-aging blend. This formula supports and nourishes the skin, fights against premature aging, and minimizes the appearance of wrinkles. It is rapidly absorbed into the skin on the face, neck, and décolletage for smoother, radiant, and youthful-looking skin. A little goes a long way with this powerful anti-aging blend. Roll a thin layer onto your face, paying special attention to areas of concern. Use it morning and night for best results.